At Burke, we really understand that kids love to explore and create their own adventure on the playground. We took that and created a play structure that they could play all day, coming up and down, playing both directions, and really create their own adventure. The Level X play structure is really inspired by urban architecture, including bridges and buildings. If you look at the lines of the Level X, the strong arching curves really create a structural form, while the ropes create sort of a gusset effect.
If there's something that you want to build that will bring people in and attract them, it's something that you want to stop and see, hey, what is that? I got to get on that. This is going to be a destination point. It just begs to be explored.
There's different routes to come up with different levels of challenge, and every different surface you touch moves and interacts with nearby surfaces. If there's another kid in front of you, as they move, it's moving the bridge that you're standing on. If they're on the rope here, you're actually moving the rope on the opposite side. So it's very dynamic and it's very interactive, and it really brings kids together. In the center, we have an access point with these great climbers. So you can come up here and you can also exit the structure through the hole.
One of the things that we wanted to do with Level X is design it so that you could integrate it with traditional play. So we designed it so that one of the bridges could be connected to a nucleus or intensity play system. There are a lot of developmental benefits with the Level X structure. It really works their physical core, being able to balance. There are net climbers that are vertical and there are net climbers that are sloped. So if you're climbing a vertical climber, you end up working your upper body more. You have to hang on more with your arms. Cognitively, it's also a challenge for them to try to figure out how they're going to get across and what they're going to do. They have to think, learn from somebody else and how they climbed across it, and be able to do it a little bit better the next time or a little faster. Level X can also be a great piece to put in an inclusive play space. It has a transfer station that can be used to transfer onto the system from a mobility device.
Right in the middle, we have a wide open spot where children of all capabilities can come right in and interact with the kids who are playing on the structure. So you're never left out of the action, no matter what your physical capabilities are. Burke's all new Level X. This is play that moves us.